Yesterday's questions answers. So yesterday question. So IIT question. Find the value of root over 1 by 2 into root over 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 and so on. So this is the question. So here whole root over 1 by 2 into whole root over 1 by 2 into whole root of 1 by 2 into and so on infinity. So find this value. Here observe, this is continuous process up to an infinity. So this term take, let's say x. Let x equal to root over 1 by 2 into root over 1 by 2 into root over 1 by 2 into and so on infinity. Next step here observe, I use the here observe x equal to, this term is completely repeated. So from here this is completely repeated. So root over 1 by 2 from here, so this is continuous. So this means x. In this place I substitute x value, x. Okay. Next step, squaring on both sides. Both sides. Squaring on both sides, this is x square equal to, this is root 1 by 2x whole square. That means this root and 2 cancel. Therefore x square equal to 1 by 2x. Okay. This term should this side, x square minus 1 by 2x equal to 0. Here x and x common. Take x common. X into x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Here x equal to 0. Here x equal to 0 or x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Therefore next step, x equal to 1 by 2. Here x value 0 and 1 by 2. X value 0. So 0 is not possible here. Therefore x equal to 1 by 2 is the answer. So find this value is 1 by 2 is the answer. Next one. Next one here. Find the value of root over 12 plus root over 12 plus root over 12 plus and so on. So this is also repeated endless. Same previous sum, like previous sum. Let's say x equal to root over 12 plus root over 12 plus root over 12 and so on. Say here this part is repeated value, so remove this value, substitute x. So root over 12 plus x. Squaring on both sides, same. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Therefore x square equal to root over 12 plus x whole square. So this root and 2 cancel. X square equal to 12 plus x. This term shift this side. X square minus x minus 12 equal to 0. It is the quadratic equation. Factorization, do factorization. X square here 12 factors 3 into 4 3 4, so minus 4x plus 3x minus 12 equals 0. Here x is common, x minus 4 plus 3 common, here x minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore here x minus 4 is common, x plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore here x minus 4 equal to 0 and x plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 4, x equal to minus 3. Here observe, this is the positive value, completely repeated value. So here x not equal to minus 3. Here x value is 4 answer. X equal to 4 answer. So this value is 4.